Hello and welcome to our explanational video on our rent-to-sell program. We're a local creative real estate company that has been helping local sellers get full market price for their homes in today's market. The goal of this video is to explain our rent-to-sell program so you can decide if this could be a fit for you and your financial situation. We're going to explain how we can help you sell your property for full market value in any market. You may be in the same situation as many of our clients. Have you been trying to sell your home with little or no luck? Have you realized that lowball offers from supposedly qualified buyers can actually end up causing you to lose money at closing after you've deducted closing costs, the seller subsidy expense, and realtor commissions? Or maybe you've been renting your house and are simply tired of being the landlord, dealing with constant maintenance issues from tenants who are not taking care of your property as if it were their own. Well, you've come to the right place. Every day we're working together with people in all types of situations to help sell their homes right in your neighborhood. Before we start, we'd like to mention our service is free to you, and you're welcome to continue to market your property however you like, whether that be with a realtor or on your own. Our fee comes from our buyers. Our buyers are looking in your area, typically in the $100,000 to $350,000 price range. We always have a lot more buyers than we do properties and typically get multiple offers on each property that we list. Because this is the largest buyer's market we've ever seen, people who purchase today can buy homes well below market value. Unfortunately, this leaves sellers with next to nothing after their home sells. We don't think it should be this way, so we specialize in a strategy to create a win-win solution for both buyers and sellers in today's market. We call this strategy our rent-to-sell program. You as the seller will be in a winning position because our sellers usually get full asking price for their property and pay no realtor's commissions, seller subsidies, or closing costs. For the next few months, your mortgage payments will be covered by your tenant buyer, and you'll probably even have some good positive cash flow. Buyers also benefit because they can now move into a house that they can now call their home, while still having time to shop around for the loans with the best possible rates. So here's how our rent-to-sell program works. Simply fill out the form below and we'll contact you to answer any questions you still might have. If you'd like to move forward, we'll schedule a time to visit the property and we'll take many detailed photos and complete a video walkthrough of the home to begin marketing the property for our visual marketing methods. We will then begin marketing your property immediately and notify all of our pre-screened qualified tenant buyers that your property is available. We'll personally contact our most qualified tenant buyers and pique their interest in your property. We then conduct a preliminary interview, rental history check, criminal record search, income, and other financial information on the applicants. The top applicants are presented to you for your final approval. The selected tenant buyer then puts a significant non-refundable down payment into an escrow account to show their commitment to purchasing your house. Option and lease agreements are then signed by you and your tenant buyer. All of our contracts are regularly reviewed by our attorneys, and each contract is tailored to each seller's unique requirements. The tenant buyer can then move in and begins their 12 to 18-month lease term while working with a qualified credit repair program to get their loan approval. Meanwhile, they're responsible for all day-to-day maintenance and repairs to the property. The tenant buyer can purchase their future home within an 18-month period or as soon as their loan is approved. Finally, the tenant buyer is usually responsible for paying all the closing costs and no realtor commissions are due. Our tenant buyers fully intend on purchasing the home from day one, so they treat it like their own. Before moving in, they put a significant amount of money down toward the house as a non-refundable option fee. They understand that they can still be evicted if they fail to pay rent or damage the property in any way. We are truly happy to say that no one else locally has a rent-to-sell program with the success and attention to detail that we provide free to our sellers. You probably still have some questions, and we look forward to speaking with you to get them answered. Please fill out the form below or contact us. Remember, it's completely free to you, and there's absolutely no obligation to work with us or use us exclusively. Thanks for stopping by, reviewing our information and videos, giving us the opportunity of working together to sell your property for full market value.